Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Anisha from Panvidyashram. I welcome you all for this session. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 Linear Inequalities part 2. Graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. A line divides a Cartesian plane into two equal parts. A point in Cartesian plane will either lie on a line or will lie in either of half planes. The region containing all the solutions of an inequality is called the solution region. Now, some note is that in order to identify the half plane represented by an inequality, it is just sufficient to take any point a comma b not on line and check whether it satisfies the inequality or not. If it satisfies, then the inequality represents a half plane and shade the region which contains the point. Otherwise, the inequality represents that half plane which does not contain the point within it. For convenience, the point 0, 0 is referred. This will be explained in the next sum. That is, an equation will be given. You have to draw the line for the equation and you have to check whether to shade along the origin or away from the origin. Towards the origin you have to shade or away from the origin you have to shade. That we will be learning while writing the sums. If the inequality involves less than or greater than, we draw the graph of the line as dotted line to indicate that the points on the line are not included from the solution set. Now, when an inequality with sign less than greater than, you have to draw a dotted line when drawing the graph. If the inequality involves less than or greater than equal to, we draw the graph of the line as a dark line to indicate the points on the line is included from the solution set. Now, the exercise 6.2, x plus y less than 5. Now, you have to draw this in the graph. If an equation is given like this, in equation that is x plus y less than 5. First, you have to consider the equation x plus y is equal to 5 and you have to draw the line. You all know to draw the line by drawing the tabular column. That is, you will represent the tabular column like this. That is, for x plus y is equal to 5. For all the sums, you can draw like this. You will put x, you will put y. And now, when x equal to 0, what is your y value? 5. Now, if y is equal to 0, your x value will be 5. Now, your points will be 0, 5 and 5, 0. This is how you are finding this point 0, 5 and 5, 0. Now, it represents the line. Now, you plot the points, you will get A, B, a line 5, 0, 0, 5. Now, you have to consider the inequality. After drawing the line, since it is less than 5, you have to use the dotted line. Now, you have to shade the region where it comes. For that, you have to put 0, 0 in this equation. That is 0 plus 0 less than 5. See, if the condition is true, you have to shade towards the origin. If this condition is not satisfied, you have to shade away from the origin. Here if you see 0 plus 0, that is 0 less than 5. The condition is true. So the origin 0 lies in the plane x plus y less than 5. So see, here it is shaded. So the shaded region is towards the origin. Next, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Similarly, you have to draw mark the points for 2x plus y is equal to 6. So you will be getting 0, 6, 3, 0. After plotting the points, you check whether where you have to shade, whether it is towards the origin or away from the origin. Substitute the values in the equation 0, 0. You have to substitute for all the sums. You have to substitute 0, 0 only. So 0 plus 0 greater than 6. Is it greater than 6? No, is it? So the condition is false. So you have to shade away from the origin. So it is shaded away from the origin. And now since the sign is greater than or equal to, the dark line is drawn. Next one, similar sums. All the sums in the exercise is similar to that. y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. Here also when finding the points you get 4, 0, 0, comma minus 8. Plot the points on the graph 4, comma 0, 0, comma minus 8. And now check, put 0, comma 0 in the equation. When you put, it will become as 8 greater than 0. That it is true. So you have to shade towards the origin. Next, minus 3x plus 2y greater than equal to minus 6. So first take the equation minus 3x plus 2y equal to minus 6. Draw the tabular column and find out the points. You will get 2, comma 0 and 0, comma minus 3. Now, after plotting the points on the graph, check whether the condition is true by substituting 0, comma 0. So when you are substituting, you will get 0 greater than minus 6. That is true. So you have to shade towards the origin. So it is shaded towards the origin. Next, y less than minus 2. Here also first you have to draw the line of y equal to minus 2. So you will get the line like this. Since it is less than, it is represented by dotted line. Now you have to put 0 in the y place. So you will get 0 less than minus 2. It is not true. So you have to shade away from the origin. Here, since it is dotted line, the shaded point, that is only here given, every point below the line excluding the line is the solution area. That is, the line is not, if it is dotted line, it means the line is not included. Now exercise 6.3, also there in the last exercise you were given only one inequality, but here you will be given 2 and the common portion you have to shade it. Now when you are writing for the exams, you need not write all those things, only you have to draw the graph. This explanation is given for your understanding. Now first x greater than equal to 3, y greater than equal to 2. First draw the line x equal to 3. So when you draw like this, you will get a line like this, and when you draw y equal to 2, you will get a line like this. Now check the point 0 greater than 3. It is true. So you will shade it. Since 0 greater than 3, you have to, the origin does not lie in the region. This graph is shaded on the right of AB. That is, since it is not true, that a condition is false, so you have to shade away from the region. Similarly, y is equal to 2. Is 0 greater than 2? False, is it? So that also you have to shade above from the origin. Now, so when you are shading the first one, you will get like this shaded portion. When you are shading for y equal to 2, you will get like this, the shaded portion. Now which is a common shaded portion? This portion is the common portion. So this you have to be shaded. That is only given in your graph, that this portion is the common portion. Only the common portion should be shaded. Next one, x plus y less than or equal to 6, x plus y greater than equal to 4. Now first take the equation x plus y equal to 6, plot the points, that is 6, 0, 0, 6 you will get. Now check, put 0, 0 in the equation, you will get that is true. So you will shade towards the origin. So when you have to, you will shade it towards the origin. Now the second one, x plus y equal to 4. So you will get the points 0, 4 and 4, 0. Now check it, 0 plus 0 greater than 4. Is the condition true? No, it is wrong. So you have to shade away from the origin. So you will be shading away from the origin. Now which are the common portion? That is the portion between these two lines are the common portion for both the lines. So that is the solution for this inequality. Now like 3x, there two equations are given. Here 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, x plus 3y less than or equal to 30, x greater than 0 equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. That is, x and y greater than equal to 0 means it lies in the first quadrant, that x and y are positive. Now here also plot the points, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. Plot both the points on the graph. Draw the line. Substitute 0, 0. So you will get 0 less than 60 and 0 less than 30. The condition is true. You have to draw towards the origin and shade the common portions. Now x minus 2y less than or equal to 3. 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. X greater than 0, y greater than 1. Y equal to line should be drawn. X minus 2y equal to 3 equation should be drawn. 3x plus 4y equal to 12 equation should be drawn. Check by substituting 0, 0 in this equations. If the condition is satisfied, you have to shade towards the origin, and if the condition is false, you have to shade away from the origin. Here all these three conditions are: is 0 greater than 1, the condition is false, you have to shade away from the origin. Here also 0 greater than 12, is 0 greater than 12, no, that is away from the origin. Here also is 0 greater than 0 less than or equal to 3. So for all these points you have to draw the graph, and the common shaded portion should be shaded. Similarly this sum also, you have to draw for y equal to 2x, 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 6 to x greater than or equal to 3. You will be getting 3 lines. Check the common shaded portion and draw it. Next, x plus 2y less than or equal to 10, x plus y greater than or equal to 1, x minus y less than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than. This condition x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 is nothing but it lies in the positive axis. Here also draw the tabular column for all the three equations. Plot the points on the graph. After plotting it, substitute 0, 0 in this equation and 0, 0 in this second equation and third equation. Check whether the condition is satisfied and then shade the common region. Thank you.